Hey there, folks! We've got the lowdown on the top 6 business goodies just for you. Garmin Forerunner 265. The Forerunner series has long been a cornerstone of Garmin's lineup, and for good reason. It consistently delivers reliability and a host of impressive features across its various models. However, the standout among them is undeniably the Forerunner 265. As for existing Forerunner 255 owners contemplating an upgrade, the newer display and an 8 GB storage bump may not present compelling enough reasons, particularly since the software features remain largely unchanged. However, for those purchasing a running watch for the first time, the Forerunner 265 offers a comprehensive package that caters to Apple Watch Ultra 2. Which is an ideal option for triathletes seeking detailed progress tracking alongside everyday functionality. Boasting ergonomic design elements such as lightweight construction, rugged durability, and impressive water resistance up to 100 meters, it even serves as a reliable scuba diving companion, even though our preference remains the cold plunge pool. Equipped with cellular capabilities, speakers, and microphones, it essentially functions as a smartphone on your wrist, enhancing connectivity and communication. Moreover, its extensive range of health and fitness apps, including features for calorie tracking, heart rate monitoring, and sleep tracking, cater to diverse wellness goals. With built-in GPS functionality, athletes can precisely monitor their running or cycling routes, ensuring accurate performance tracking, enabling swift access to emergency services with a single click. Polar Grit X Pro and recovery tools remain unparalleled, including features such as sleep stages, Recovery Pro, and workout recommendations based on overnight recovery. Furthermore, enhanced durability is evident through its military-grade rating, scratch-resistant sapphire display, and impressive water resistance up to 100 milliliters. However, weighing 79 grams, it may feel bulky for individuals with smaller wrists. Despite this, GPS connectivity is rapid and reliable, supporting all major satellite systems. The inclusion of a barometric altimeter and compass enhances offbeat navigation capabilities. Additional features like fuel-wise fueling recommendations, hill splitter, automatic climb detection, and music controls for Spotify and other music apps. The Polar Pacer Pro Advanced Ultralight GPS Fitness Tracker smartwatch is meticulously crafted for avid runners seeking peak performance. Engineered to enhance your training regimen, this sleek champagne gold timepiece seamlessly blends functionality with style. Equipped with advanced GPS technology, the Polar Pacer Pro accurately tracks your route, distance, and pace, providing real-time insights to optimize your runs. Tailored training programs cater to your fitness goals, offering personalized guidance for improved endurance and speed. The Polar Pacer Pro accommodates both men and women, delivering a comfortable fit for every wrist. Its ultra-light construction ensures maximum comfort during long runs, while its durable build withstands the rigors of intense training sessions. Elevate your running experience with the Polar Pacer Pro Advanced Ultra-Light GPS Fitness Tracker. Amazfit Balance experienced the ultimate in health monitoring and wellness with the Amazfit Balance smartwatch. Beyond just tracking your heart rate, blood oxygen levels, stress, and sleep, it offers comprehensive body composition analysis right from your wrist. Measure 8 key metrics, including body fat, skeletal muscle, water percentage, bone mass, protein percentage. While enjoying these features, it's important to note that certain individuals, such as pregnant women or those with implantable medical devices, should refrain from using this function. Amazfit Balance users can elevate their wellness journey with a free trial of Zepp Aura, crafted with sophistication. Paired with an enlarged HD AMOLED display featuring anti-glare glass and exceptional resolution. Reach peak brightness of 1500 nits for clear visibility in any lighting condition. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channels and also hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.